Hey guys, this is Ricardo, the Superman of real estate, where we talk real estate, life, and entrepreneurship. And today we want to do the second episode on the Chicken Shack franchise. All right guys, so I don't know if you've been watching my videos, but recently we posted a video about our first episode on the Chicken Shack, and I wanted to show you a little bit of the progress of the renovation for our first Chicken Shack located here in the north part of Las Vegas. And I just wanted to give you an update video, guys. But right before we go in, I actually want to show you right in front of me the location of the grease trap and what exactly is that grease trap thing. All right guys, so you guys see this line right here? This is where the sewer actually comes through, and you can see we've cut some of the cement on that side, but it comes through here, and we've already laid out a square right here, and this is the location of the grease trap. This is where the grease trap is going to be located. We had initially wanted to put the grease trap a little bit more to the east side of the property, but unfortunately the Clark County or the city did not want us to post it a little bit farther away. They wanted it to be a little bit closer to the location of the restaurant. Right here where you see the square, this is where we're going to actually cut out and we're going to put in the grease trap. So what is the grease trap? Just in case any grease comes through the sewer line, it actually catches the grease, and maybe about once or twice a month there's going to be a grease trap company that would come out and pump up all the grease from the sewer, from the grease trap, so it doesn't go over to our sewer lines and goes over to the city sewer. So just to protect our sewer and also the city sewer, that is the reason why we get a grease trap in a restaurant. Now we're actually at the storefront, and as you can see now we have posters up, but there is a story behind this. JV, the owner of the restaurant franchise, actually came over and he said that we do not want to block the view of the restaurant. He wants to make sure that we can have the foot traffic that we have to see the inside and make sure that they can see that we do have indeed customers in the Chicken Shack. So we're actually going to have to tear these down and we're going to have to put new ones. We may have to put them up to here, or we're just going to put them up a little bit higher. This is just for the customers to see that we do actually have indeed clientele, and we do have clientele coming all the way from Aliante. We have people going all the way down to the Rainbow location, but now they're going to have one up here in North. So we're super excited to have this open. So stay tuned guys also for the grand opening video. Follow me in. So I'm telling you guys, everyone is excited for the Chicken Shack. I just got off getting to know the owner of the next door smoke shop, and he said he's super excited. He was heard about the Chicken Shack. Can't wait for the grand opening. All right guys, so now we're inside the building and we're actually standing in the dining area. So we have a little bit of a smaller space compared to other stores, and unfortunately our space got even smaller. Clark County actually had us add another bathroom because of the occupants. So if it's 30 or more occupants, including the people eating or dining in, and then also plus the employees. So if we have more than 30 occupants, we're gonna have to need 2 bathrooms. So now we have to add another bathroom. Just little stuff like that definitely makes the process go a little bit longer. But right here in the front, you can see we have a bunch of mess. But we do have our hood fan that finally came in, and we'll shoot a part of that so you guys can see. So the hood fan, it goes on top of all the fryers just in case of a fire, and then it also gets all the hot air out and allows cool air in just to keep the space cool. And all of this, where all this trash is actually going to be our dining area. To use a space, we're going to order a couple of benches that go against the wall so that we can utilize the space a little bit better. The reason is, like I said, we lost maybe about 15 feet of dining area on this side where the bathroom is, so we're gonna have to make up for that. And then also on this side, the Chicken Shack, we're trying out something new. It's like an automatic ordering machine, and we're actually gonna be installing 2 of those. And Samsung is actually the first company that's gonna make the ones for our restaurant, this type of machinery, and we'll be the first ones, the piggies, to be used on our restaurant. So we're super excited. If they see it that it works here at our store, then they're gonna start putting it in other stores around the US. So we do have the ordering machines right here, and I think we've actually had to transfer. Originally was going to be the drink station over here, but now I think the drink station will be somewhere on this side. So like I said, we reduced our dining area a bunch, but but hopefully we're still gonna have it full, and that is the goal. So we also have our walk-in fridge. We finally got our walk-in fridge. So this is just in different compartments, and our contractor is actually going to install it or going to connect it. And here's the other part of the walk-in fridge. But the walk-in fridge, I'll show you part of the plans. We'll go all the way on the northeast side of the location, and it's just to put in all like the chicken, all the stuff that's not going to be frozen. And then in front of it, we're also going to have a reach-in freezer for all the fries and all the frozen stuff. So a lot of our chicken is fresh, but we keep it here in the walk-in fridge. So that is the walk-in fridge for you guys. Now we're here where the bathrooms are at. Of course, we had to do a men's restroom and also a woman's restroom. We had to separate both of the restrooms. This bathroom right here initially was not going to be part of the plans, but Clark County added to the plan. So now that was also a couple $1,000. What the city does here in Las Vegas, they charge you per fixture. So if you put a sink, they charge you per the sink. I think it's like $3,500. Also for the toilet, that's going to be another fixture. Everything that has to do with sewer or water, they charge you per the fixture. So if you don't have any credits, or if you didn't have any fixtures here before in this restaurant before, all of those are actually tacked on onto the fee from the city. So you guys can see that very quickly. It can add up. Right here, down here, you can actually see there's new cement that has been poured. So all here in the cement, this is actually where we put in all the new sewer line. And like you see on this side, inside the bathroom, you can see the cuts that were done in there. So they go around and then eventually they come here. This is where the main sewer line actually goes to, and it actually goes straight into the grease trap outside, how I showed you guys earlier.
I would like to get a number 2, the 5 chicken wings with the drink. If I can get also a buffalo chicken cheese fries and a drink. And my sauces, I actually want to get honey barbecue, mango habanero, and then also if I can get blue cheese, please.
All right, guys, so this is actually going to be the ordering station. This is where the clients will come in. This is where we'll have our line, and our clients will be ordering from here. Thinking we're gonna be having a table here, like a little pony wall, but this is the ordering station. This is gonna be a passover or a pass-through so that we can put the tickets, and this is where we will be getting the orders from the kitchen. So yeah, we will be here for the grand opening. I will be here. We're so excited, guys, to see you here. Now you can see that the hood fan or the hood vent system is finally being installed. We actually got a deal, but originally the hood vent system was going to be around $20,000. So you can imagine if you start to add up all the little equipment here, the kitchen equipment, it's slowly but surely starts to add up, and it turns out to be a lot of money that you have to invest into a restaurant. But luckily I have 2 other partners, and that way we can outweigh the cost of it. But that's definitely a cool way to start investing, is with partners. But here, right under the hood systems, we're actually going to be having 6 fryers. 4 fryers will be for the chicken, and 2 fryers actually be for the fries. The fryers will be over here. Right on the left side, we're also going to have a little grill. Once in a while, we do have a burger on the menu, and that's for like the little kid that doesn't want, chicken fingers or chicken wings, and he wants a burger. So mom can bring him here to the Chicken Shack and he can get a burger. Right next to the fryers, we're actually going to be having a pretty long table. It's going to be about 18 inches wide, and it's going to be the same length of the hood system. So just as soon as they start frying, then we'll be able to come over to the prep table and get the orders ready over here. This has been a learning process for me as well. I've learned a lot of stuff from the menu from the Chicken Shack, so I didn't know what this part was for. So the Chicken Shack, we have buffalo chicken cheese fries, we have chili, and this is where we're actually going to be putting the food warmers or the bins. And actually the plumber had asked me what was this for, and I didn't know. I actually had to ask a Chicken Shack franchise owner. So it is going to be for the chili, it is going to be for the cheese, so that we can keep it warm over here. Right over here, we're going to have a small little sink, just a 1 compartment sink. And then on this side, we're going to be having the 3 compartment sink. We actually kept it from the previous tenant, which was a porta subs, which is on that side. Right over here is actually where we're going going to be having that walk-in fridge installed. So most likely the entrance will be from here. This is where the door will be, and this is where we're gonna be having the walk-in fridge. This is where we have all the chicken. The fries actually be going to the reach-in freezer, but this is where a lot of the stuff will be here in the walk-in fridge. Right over here, lo and behold, we will have the reach-in freezer. So the reach-in freezer will have all the fries, so we'll be able to get them, and it's closer to the fries area on the right side of the fryers, so that way we can put them in and get you guys fries at a very quick pace. Right here we have the water heater, closet, and we have the mop section. Guys, this has been an update for the Chicken Shack. We are super excited. We will also be shooting our grand opening video. If you are local here in Las Vegas in Sin City, go ahead and get a hold of me so that we can invite you to the grand opening. Thank you for watching. This is Ricardo, the Superman of Real Estate, where we talk real estate, life, and entrepreneurship. And this is my entrepreneurial journey. See you next time.